In this problem, a square is given and this is A, B, C, D. And on side AB there is a point F such that this divides side AB into two equal parts. That is, F is the midpoint. Distance AF is equals to distance BF. Point E is on side AD such that it divides AD into 1:2 ratio. This means if this side is 1 unit, then this portion is 2 unit. If this is x, then this is 2x. We have to find angle theta in this case. And I will use geometry to solve this problem. Now ABCD is a square. This means length AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. But DA is 3x. So DC, BC and AB is equals to 3x. So this length is also 3x. Now F is the midpoint. This means this length is 3x by 2 and this length is also 3x by 2. So AF is equals to BF and both are equal to 3x by 2. Now let us consider a point P on side AD such that this point P is a midpoint of portion AE. That is, AP is equals to EP. So AP is equals to EP. And if this is a midpoint, then I can say this is all equal to AE by 2. So this means this is x and this is also equal to x. Now let us draw a perpendicular from point P, that is this point, on side BC. So now if you see this rectangle, that is ABQP, this will be a rectangle because this angle is 90, this angle is 90 and this is perpendicular, so this angle will also be 90. Now this and this is 90, then this has to be 90. So now this is a rectangle. This means now this side is equal to this side. So opposite sides are equal in case of rectangle. So this is x unit, then this will also be x unit. Now what is CQ? So this total length is 3x and this is x, so this will be 2x. So CQ is equals to BC minus BQ, that is BC minus BQ, that is 3x minus x, which is equals to 2x. So this length is 2x unit. Now let us consider triangle CQM, that is CQM, that is this triangle, and triangle CBF, that is this triangle. Now these two triangles will be similar triangles. How? Let's see. Angle CQM, that is this angle, is 90 degree and angle CBF is also 90 degree. Now angle QCM is common with angle BCF. So this angle is in both the triangles. Now angle QMC will be equal to angle BFC because if two angles are equal, the third angle has to be equal. So this means these two triangles are similar triangles. So triangle CQM, that is this triangle, is similar with triangle CBF. So if these two triangles are similar, I can write CQ by CB, that is this distance divided by this distance, is equals to MQ divided by BF. So MQ by BF. But now I know CQ. CQ is how much? This distance is 2x. And CB, that is BC, this distance is 3x. This is equals to MQ by BF. But we know BF. BF is 3x by 2. So this MQ by 3x by 2. So from here I can calculate MQ. So MQ is equals to x. So this length is x. So what will be this length? This length will be 2x because this is a rectangle and this length is 3x. So this means this length is also 3x. But this is x. So this will be 2x. So I can write PM is equals to PQ, that is total minus MQ, and total is 3x and this is x, so this is 2x. So now I know the various lengths. So this length is x, this length is 2x. Now let us draw line ME. So this point is M and this point is E. So if you consider triangle EPM, that is this triangle EPM, this is a right angle triangle because this angle is 90, because this was a rectangle. So this angle is 90, then this has to be 90 because sum of angles on a line is equals to 90 degree. So EPM is a right angle triangle. So I can use Pythagoras theorem. So this is 90 degrees, so this is hypotenuse. So I can write MEA square is equals to PA square plus PM square. So this I can write. But PM is what? PM is 2x and this is x. So I can plug the value. So this is 2x square and this is x square. So this is equals to 5x square. So MEA square is 5x square. So basically ME is equals to root 5 times x. Similarly, if you consider triangle MQC, so this MQC, this is also a right angle triangle because this angle is 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So if I use Pythagoras theorem, this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equals to CQ square plus QM square. And CQ is 2x. So 2x square, 2x whole square plus x square, and this is equals to 5x square. So this means MC is equals to root 5x. So ME and MC are equal. So from here I can say this length ME is equals to this length. So if you consider this triangle and this triangle, all the lengths are equal. This length is 2x, this length is 2x, this length is x, this length is x, and hypotenuse is root 5 times x, and this is also root 5 times x. So if you consider triangle, these two triangles, that is triangle PEM, that is the same triangle, and QMC, that is again the same triangle. All the lengths are equal. PE is equals to QM. So PE is equals to QM, and this is equals to x. ME is equals to MC. So ME is equals to MC, which is equals to root 5 times x. And PM is equals to QC. So PM is equals to QC, that is this length. So this means these two triangles PEM and QMC is basically congruent. So these two triangles are congruent. Now let us say this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. That is angle PME is equals to alpha, and angle PEM, that is this angle, is equals to beta. Now if you consider this triangle, as I said earlier, this triangle and this triangle are congruent. This means this angle alpha, which is the angle between side length 2x and hypotenuse. So this is 2x and this is hypotenuse. So this angle will be alpha. And this angle will be beta. So now in this triangle, this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. Now if you consider triangle PME, what is the value of alpha plus beta? Because this angle is 90, so this means this plus this has to be 90, because sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. So alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degree. Now this means what is this angle? EMC, this angle. So this plus this is equals to 180. This means alpha plus beta plus EMC is equals to 180, but alpha plus beta is 90. This means this angle is 90 degree. So EMC, angle EMC is equals to 180 minus alpha plus beta, but alpha plus beta is 90, so this angle is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. If you consider this triangle, this side and this side are equal. We have already calculated this length, that is root 5 times x, and this is also root 5 times x. So this is an isosceles triangle. This means angle on base, this angle is theta, then this also theta. This is because we have already proved that ME is equals to MC. So this means this angle is theta, that is MCE, and is equals to CEM, that is this angle. So this angle is how much? We know this angle is 90, so this plus this is 90. So 2 theta is equals to 90 degree. This means theta is equals to 45 degree. So we have to find this angle, and this angle is equals to 45 degree. So I hope you like this solution. In one of the video I have solved this problem using trigonometry, that is relatively easier solution. So I hope you like these videos, and if you like, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.